Welcome to Incredible App channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate voicemail in your Android phone. So at first, open up your phone app. Now from here, tap on three dots, then go to settings option. From here, scroll down a bit and then go to voicemail option. And here it is. From here, you can customize your voicemail. If you want to deactivate your voicemail, just tap on voicemail number and then cut the number from here. Then tap on OK. Then tap on OK again to confirm it. And it's done. Now your voicemail has been deactivated successfully. You can see there is no number on voicemail number option. You can see it's blank now. If you want to enable it again, just tap on this icon and then you can choose any number as you want. If I select this, then tap on OK, then tap on OK again, and you can see it's enabled again. And that is how you can deactivate voicemail in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.